Hi, I'm Dr. Jodie Austin, and I'm the Clinical Informatics Director from the Queensland Digital Health Centre at the University of Queensland. We've recently published an article, Decades in the Making, the Evolution of Digital Health Research Infrastructure through Synthetic Data, Common Data Models and Federated Learning within the Journal of Medical Internet Research. So this was a viewpoint paper that we've put together in a special theme edition, which was looking at the past 25 years of digital health excellence. So we were asking for our readers to really start to broaden their perspective when they think about the different types of data that we can start to capture now for healthcare research. So traditionally, it's always been focused on randomized controlled trials. And what we're now looking at in this digital transformation journey that healthcare is now in is, can we start to harness real-world data to start to bolster that information that we're capturing through RCTs to be able to understand longitudinally the impacts that these interventions are having in our healthcare system. So we discuss in this paper the strengths and the weaknesses of some of these novel methods that are emerging. So, for example, with synthetic data generation, are we able to do that in a safe and effective manner that mimics the population data in terms of its distributions, but minimises that patient disclosure risk? Or common data models, for example, is this a way that we can move forward with research by improving interoperability between these different healthcare systems, between clinical and administrative data sets, for example? And finally, with federated learning, is this a method that we can now use to start to send a code into those enterprise systems without pulling that data out and again exposing those patients' disclosure? We also touch on the real importance of that cross-sector collaboration. So starting to move towards making sure that we've got teams of people that are working not just in the university and academic sector and not just in the healthcare institutions, but can we merge and collaborate these teams so that they can work effectively across those organisations to support healthcare research on real-world data. Why JMIR? We felt that the topic for our particular viewpoint paper was a perfect match with the areas of interest for this journal. It's a high-ranking journal, and once you do have your manuscript accepted for publication, the copy editing team are second to none.